Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I outlined the possibility of a move down to 108.3K before a rip up to 111.1K and eventually 113K, generating a new all-time high. It looks like time is running fast because we already dipped into the yellow horizontal at 108.3K today, even slightly below it. Now let's switch to the 3-day liquidation heat map. Here we can see what might have pulled the price down like a magnet. A massive long liquidation leverage cluster formed right around 107.8K, spanning from 107.6K to 108K. That cluster was a hotspot, almost too juicy for the market to ignore. Let's go back to the 1-hour chart. What do we find at 107.6K? It was a key support level back on May 29th. That's exactly where we see the blue horizontal right now. It could act as support again, functioning as a springboard. So in the worst case, we might bounce from here. Either way, I continue to expect further upside in the near term. Now let's talk about ETF flows. The inflows from June 10th were brutal. We saw a total of $431.2 million in net inflows. This time, BlackRock led the charge with over $336.7 million. The institutions are buying again. Let's do some math. The daily Bitcoin product is only 450 Bitcoin per day. That's around $48.6 million in new supply. Yesterday's inflows were over 7 times the daily new supply. Institutions are greedy, and I hope you're acting accordingly. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.